So I've been meaning to upgrade my monitor for a while, and finally, hey, OLED 48 inches, can't really complain, right? I mean, I don't think it gets better than this. I've been seeing the reviews of this one for a while now, and it's kind of blown me away. And as somebody who uses a lot of OLED TVs and of course OLED in phones, I can't wait to actually see how a 48-inch behemoth OLED monitor is going to perform. This is Gigabyte's FO48U, and I know that at the top of my mind because I've googled that, I've searched that so many times till now, and I absolutely cannot wait to open this one up. So here are the inbox contents. We have three different kinds of power cables, a USB Type A to Type B, that's for the KVM, which I will get to in a minute. There is a DisplayPort cable, HDMI, and batteries for the remote along with the stands. Guys, one thing worth noting is since they have given these stands, there's going to be no height adjustment or angle adjustment here, which is very important for a monitor, and that played a huge part in me kind of being stuck on should I upgrade to this or not. But my logic over here is that, it's 48 inches, it's going to be so damn big, so hopefully I'm not going to need any adjustments. So let's see. 48 inches. I mean, my PC looks so small compared to it, and that's not a small PC, it's a mid tower. So yeah, let's get things set up. So moment of truth, the display, it is phenomenal. Just look at the deep blacks, the colors are awesome. For gaming, this can go up to 120 Hz at 4K. It also supports variable refresh, there's FreeSync Premium, so that's cool as well. This 10-bit panel even covers 98% of the DCI-P3 color space. Now the OSD options, they are pretty detailed and tinkerable with. Here's another reason why I went with this instead of an LG TV. There's a lot more gaming oriented stuff here. The audio output, again, front facing and sounds really good for a monitor. Here, have a listen. Christmas cheer, drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while. Now, a 48-inch LG OLED TV is priced a little lower than this monitor. Now, given that LG manufactures these panels, how does Gigabyte justify the price? The risk of burn-in is a little higher with OLED, so you do not want the monitor to be on all time. So you might probably set a monitor timeout, which is what I'm doing. I have a monitor timeout of 10 minutes with LCD. I don't care, it's generally an hour or two. Now, when the monitor times out and the display goes to sleep, with a monitor, like with the Gigabyte here, you can just like move your mouse or press a key on your keyboard and the monitor wakes. Because the LG is a TV, you can't really do that. You need to get the remote and turn it on. It's a mild little annoyance, but it is one. And the second thing is with the ports. You have two USB 3 Type A ports, you've got a USB Type B, a Type C, then you've got DisplayPort along with two HDMIs, and then your 3.5mm options. So the DisplayPort is one big advantage here. And the USBs, they actually help create the KVM. KVM stands for keyboard, video, and mouse. So I can switch between using the same peripherals and this monitor for two pairs of devices. And beat it up, my Mac here can even get charged using the monitor at up to 100 watts if I can recall correctly. So let me open up the Mac. So now I've got Windows running on this. I've got my MacBook Pro. So let's say I want to use both on this monitor. Now I've set the right shortcut as the KVM switch. I just hit right. It's going to take a second. But now my MacBook Pro is right here. And okay, I'm not really familiar with Mac, so please pardon me. So now I can just use this. I can just go with whatever I want, open up another page of quick info. And now let's say I want to switch back to this. Again, quick, done. We're here. So I can go ahead, do whatever it is that I want to do, and I have messed something up. So let me just quickly Control-Z the crap out of it. So that's basically the KVM option. That's one more thing that Gigabyte has to offer. Now, secondly, the fact that the feet are spread apart, that also adds to a little bit of the ease of use. I can put in this. I can put in a Focusrite if I want to, which I am gonna do next. So a little bit more having the feet being spread apart is an advantage for me. But sometimes if your desk is smaller, then having a center stand works better. So any which way. Next up, we have a picture-in-picture option as well. This is a perfect example. So right now, I have my Xbox Series S connected, and this one is currently updating. So at this point, I just put it in a picture-in-picture, shove it to one side of the screen, and now I can continue using whatever I want to do on my PC. And the moment it's done, it restarts, and I know I can go game. I can just swap out and go start gaming on it. On the flip side, the cons here, it's gotta be the auto dimming functionality built into this and all OLED monitors basically. So the brightness changes, the screen dims over time to avoid burn-in. So occasionally I need to windy in and out to get my brightness levels back. It's definitely an annoyance, but one I'm okay putting up with given I want that OLED screen. Guys, I shot this video over weeks, and all this time I've been using this monitor as my primary. Is it expensive? Hell yes. But it also happens to be the best monitor I have ever used. Right from regular day-to-day stuff to Photoshop work to editing to gaming, it is one hell of a monitor. This panel, this OLED panel is just amazing. Nothing flat out comes close to it. So that's been the FO48U, a whopping 48-inch OLED monitor from Gigabyte. So this has been my experience with it so far. What do you guys think about this monitor? Is this something you can see yourself using? Do you want to see more such OLED monitors launched? Do you feel the trade-off with the dimming and all that for getting that OLED colors? Do you think that's worth it? Let me know in the comments below, and with that, we are at the end of this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications, hit that bell icon if you haven't yet, and thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash, you've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.